how you can share your location on Google Maps. Now, before I show you guys how to do that, if you're new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our future videos. Now, getting back to sharing your location on Google Maps, you will use this trick and you will find it very useful when you're trying to share your location to your friends, your family members, and also on when you're on emergency and you need to share a location. So I'll teach you guys how to do that. First, just open up Google Maps. Now, as you can see, I've opened up my Google Map. Now what I'll need to do is tap on my profile section that is on the top right. It displays your profile picture or just your initial. Now after you do that, just scroll down till you find location sharing. Now, there is location sharing right there. Tap on it. Now after you do that, just tap on share location, and here you will be able to just share your location via your Gmail, or you can just tap on more options. And after you tap on more options, you will see the options like you can copy, you can send it through text, you can send it to WhatsApp, and so much more. You can send it on Facebook Messenger. You can even copy the link and just copy the link or copy the messages and just send it to whomever you want, and your location will be shared. Your live location will be on. Make sure that your location is turned on your phone. And that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you share location from Google Maps. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye. Take care.